Welcome back to another Google AdMob tutorial. In this video, we will be talking about brain and puzzle games, a popular gaming category among mobile players. After a quick overview of this genre, we will show you how brain and puzzle game developers use Google AdMob to grow their business. And finally, we will see a few ideas of rewards and placements for this gaming genre. Now let's deep dive into gaming category. What is a brain and puzzle game? Brain and puzzle games test problem-solving skills such as pattern recognition, logic, color matching, and many more. Match 3, block puzzle, and brain teasers are among the most popular type of games in this category. Match 3 is a tile matching game. The player manipulates tiles to place 3 of the same type next to each other and make them disappear. Similarly, block puzzles involve the player manipulating blocks in order to make them disappear or meet certain criteria. And lastly, brain teaser games test the player's knowledge on certain subjects or their ability to discover hidden words or pictures. Now let's see how brain and puzzle game developers are using reward ads and other AdMob features to grow their business. Reward ads are a popular ad format that gives users an opportunity to watch a video or engage with a playable ad in exchange for a reward within the app. South Korea-based Cook Apps use AdMob reward ads and mediation to grow their ad revenue by 86%. They implemented reward ads at several placements in their game Bubble Coco. Here is one of those placements. Players can watch an ad in exchange for freebies in the level retry menu. In this example, the reward ad prompt is well designed and placed right next to the retry button, which users are unlikely to be interested in. In this other example, players have the option to watch an ad in exchange for additional lives in the live shop. This reward will be particularly attractive to users who are out of lives. Let's take a look at another developer, Redemption Games. Redemption Games use AdMob mediation with smart segmentation to double their app revenue. Smart segmentation provides a simple solution for apps with in-app purchases to help monetize their non-paying users, while preserving a premium experience for paying users. Here's a couple of examples of reward ad placements by Redemption Games. In their app Sweet Escapes, users who are out of moves can watch an ad to get 3 extra moves. This reward is very appealing for users who want to continue the game. In this other example from the same game, players who are out of lives have the option to get an extra one by watching an ad. This is again a reward that is likely to keep the users in the app by giving them the chance to continue playing with the additional life. The last success story that we will show you today is from Spearmint Games. They were able to boost their average revenue per daily user by 51% using AdMob Open Bidding for their game Tiledom. Open Bidding allows your ad sources to bid on each impression in real time, ensuring that the highest bid always wins. This helped them to increase their eCPMs. Spearmint has a global audience. As such, setting up waterfalls and eCPM floors for every country was very time-consuming. That is why they decided to test Open Bidding on their Tiledom game. After seeing great results, they migrated all their games to Open Bidding. As a result, they also saw an increase in reward video eCPM by 50%. Here's an example of reward ads implementation in their game Tiledom. Players can watch an ad in exchange for an extra shuffle. This is a great way to retain non-paying users who might otherwise leave the game. So far, we have seen a few examples of reward ads. Now let's have a look at more ideas of rewards and placements. You can offer a free coins reward on the homepage, in-game page, or in-store page. You can offer extra lives or energy when players are out of lives. You can give the option to resume a level after a level failure. You can invite users to get premium items during gameplay or after a level failure. And finally, you can engage users by giving bonuses if they log in every day. On top of it, you can also give them the option to double the daily bonus by watching an ad. And that concludes our video on brain and puzzle games. We hope you learned more about this gaming genre and got some inspiration for your reward ad placements. You can also find more resources about reward ads and the mentioned success stories in the description box below. And one last thing, be sure to subscribe to the Google AdMob YouTube channel for more best practices and tips to help you grow your app.